Hey everyone, it's Bradley with the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures here with another room tour. Let me show you around a standard preferred 2-queen bed here at Disney's Pop Century Resort. This is one of our favorite resorts, one of our favorite rooms, and we'll show you around and let's see what we have here. All right, as soon as you walk in the door, this is going to be your view. On your right or left, depending on the room configuration, you're going to see these two beds. So one is a standard queen that's already down, queen bed. The other one is going to be this Murphy bed setup that you see at a lot of the value resorts. So that's like the All-Stars here at Pop Century and over in the Art of Animation resort as well, and the Little Mermaid room. So this bed actually folds down. But in the meantime, you do have a table with 2 chairs, so that's nice. This resort does currently have the Hey Disney. There you go. Hey Disney Assistants, which we have videos about that as well. On the opposite side, you're going to see this beverage center, we'll call it. It does have a drink cooler, a beverage cooler with a couple shelves. Then you also have your coffee Cuisinart that can brew a couple pots. And then you have your different coffees there, teas, creamer, sugar, all that good stuff. Underneath is a pull-out drawer as well. Up top, you've got to-go cups, plastic cups. These are like for your coffee, ice bucket, a good storage area as well. Moving right along, you're gonna have your little dresser area. This has dressers that open up, that have your safe and the Bible, and then you have a couple drawers over here to the right as well to put some items. It's about a hand tall there, okay? Above the wardrobe, above your dresser area, is going to be a nice flat screen TV that does interact. And on this trip, we're celebrating my birthday, so there you go. You're also going to have that take along the magic. And again, if you book your trip with the Carpenters, with M&M Magical Adventures, we provide all of our best tips and tricks, so you'll get that from us as well, remote. And this is also a Run Disney weekend, so good information that was provided. On this side, you're going to have 2 standard plugs, and these do have the standard USB still in them. So there's one over there, and there's another pair over here. These value resorts do have connecting rooms. So here you'll see your connecting door. There's also a little rack here if you want to hang up your keys, your hats, or if you're running in a Run Disney race, you can hang up your medals. Opposite side, here is that queen bed that we were just talking about. And again, this also has what's nice, are these little areas. So both sides of the bed have an area to put your phone or other things, books, whatever, and you have the outlets. And that is your own light switch to control the light on the left side. So look, we'll turn off that switch. There you go. So if one person wants to stay up while the other one is trying to start going to sleep, you do have that capability. And here, again, on the right side where the phone is, you're gonna have chargers and switches, okay? And even more so on the other side of the bed, behind the Disney, Hey Disney, is going to be those other chargers. All right, so let's walk on back here. Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I say that in all my videos. It's gonna be this closet, all right, with storage underneath, great hangers. Here's another iron, and then in here should be the iron itself. That was an ironing board, and they also have a hairdryer. Nice. All right, and you got plenty of storage up top, down below, extras, something there. You got your soap, very nice sink, more storage, mirror, hello, and you also have a makeup mirror. Check out that cool Toy Story case. Then you come over here, this is the actual bathroom, right? So this is gonna be a glass sliding door shower with a tub, great to see. Rain shower, and this one also has the handle with it. We are on the first floor, so that's great to see if you need that accessibility. This also does have, if you are swimming, you can pull the clothesline from that side, bring it back over to there, okay? More towels, nice toilet, hang up your towels there. And then if you are getting ready in the morning, you can slide that door, like I probably will be doing again since this is a Run Disney race weekend. Can close that while I get ready and the rest of the group is sleeping. But opposite of that, here's how that looks. Okay, so it's just sliding door. Can go back. That's your room tour, but let me show you this Murphy bed and what happens there. All right, so I just took away the chairs. Everything is cleared from the bed. See, there's your support beam underneath. Watch, we're gonna take this with one handle and just pull right on down. Well, that's your bed. And there's Pluto. Pluto is sleepy. But you also have under here a light switch, so you can turn that, and you've got night lighting for whoever's in the Murphy bed. Okay, turn that off, and we'll pull this back up. Watch how easy this goes up. Again, this is one hand push, and it's back up. All done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick room tour of Disney's Pop Century Resort. Again, this room is located in the preferred section of Disney's Pop Century Resort. So we are close to the Skyliner transportation and the pool and the dining. So great spot, we love it. And if you want to stay here, please reach out to us. We're the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. You can reach us at via email. It's thecarpenters@mnmmagacaladventures.com. Our website is thecarpentersadventures.com. Or you can find us on social. On Facebook, we're at The Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures, or on Instagram or TikTok, you can find us at The Carpenters Magic. We hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Make sure to check out all of our other room tours at the end of this video. And if you have questions about Pop Century Resort, let us know in the comments. It's our favorite value resort, and we would love to share those with you. Talk to you guys soon.